Hey there. Today I'm going to show you an AI powered real estate lead automation system I built in Anything. The goal of this workflow is to take a new property lead, automatically qualify them, update the CRM, and move interested prospects toward a booked consultation. The workflow has multiple stages. First, we capture leads through this intake, where users submit their name, contact details, property type, budget, and preferred consultation time. Once a lead comes in, the system uses AI to generate a personalized welcome email instead of sending a generic response. The email includes their submitted information and gives them access to an AI property consultant, which is an AI voice agent. Every lead is automatically stored inside Airtable as a CRM record. So the sales team has all customer information in one place. The next part is the AI voice qualification system. When the customer talks with AI voice agent, the conversation transcript is analyzed using GPT. The AI extracts important details like buyer intent, budget, location, timeline, and financing status. Based on the conversation, the system automatically updates the lead quality. Hot leads are moved forward for consultation booking, while other leads are handled through different follow up points. The automation also monitors email replies. AI classifies responses like interested, needs more information, not ready, or not interested, and updates the CRM automatically. Finally, a scheduled follow up system keeps nurturing leads who haven't covered yet by generating personalized follow up emails every morning at 9 a.m. So, this entire system replaces manual lead handling and creates an automated AI sales pipeline from first contact to booked appointment. Let us watch a quick review of this workflow. As I execute this workflow, you can see here I can submit any random lead test my workflow. We can see that the workflow is running. Okay. So, uh, wait, and see have we got the email or not? So here we are. We got the email with all the information. We just put in the lead. From here, we can talk with our voice agent too. Let me talk to the voice agent. Connecting.
Hi, thanks for reaching out to Prime Nest Realty. I'm Sarah. It's great to connect with you. Could you tell me a little about what you're looking for?
Yes, yeah. Looking to buy a house in Manhattan, New York.
That's wonderful. Manhattan's a great market. I'd love to help you find the right place. Just to get a better sense of what you're after, what's your budget range looking like for a Manhattan property?
My budget range is near about $700,000.
Perfect. That gives us a solid range to work with. And are you looking for a specific neighborhood in Manhattan, or are you open to exploring a few different areas?
No, I'm open to exploring a few different options.
Great. That flexibility will definitely help us find the right fit. Quick question. Are you ready to move pretty soon, or is this more of a longer term search? Like, are we thinking weeks, a few months, or further out?
I'm thinking of moving to the summer this year.
Got it. So you've got a solid timeline to work with. One more thing, do you have mortgage pre approval already, or is that something you'd still need to explore?
I would need some mortgage guidance too.
No problem at all. Our advisors can absolutely walk you through that and connect you with the right lender if needed. So let me just recap what we've got. You're looking to buy a house in Manhattan with a $700 budget. You're flexible on neighborhoods. You'd like to move by December, and you'll need some mortgage guidance. Sound right? Once I get your
Yes,
name
that's
and
right.
email, excellent. Here's what I'll do. I'm going to have one of our senior property advisors reach out to you. They'll send you a booking link via email so you can pick a time that works best for you. They'll walk you through neighborhoods that fit your budget, help you with mortgage options, and get you scheduled for some great property tours. Before they reach out, can I get your first name and the best email address to send that booking link to?
Yes, my name is Faiza, and you can contact me with the same email address you have just contacted with.
Perfect, Faiza. I've got you down. Our advisor will reach out to that email with your booking link shortly, usually within the next 24 hours. They'll help you explore those neighborhoods and get tours lined up at properties that match what you're looking for. Thanks so much for choosing Prime Nest Realty, Faiza. We're excited to help you find your perfect home in Manhattan. Have a great day.
Thank you. So here we will see, as the lead was on, we will get the consultation bookings email very soon. Let me refresh it. Oh yes, we have the consultation booking email. From here, we can book our free consultation. Let's say I'm booking the consultation for 3rd of July and time is 12 p.m. Let me fill in the important details. Yes, we are set. Now we can see our Airtable. We have the updated, uh, actually the new record, which we have just passed in with the budget, lead quality. We can also see the AI summary here. We have the appointment status reviewed and we have the call ID too. That's how this entire workflow works. Thanks for watching.